We are adding rational expressions, level 1. So whenever you're, let's just break down these vocabulary words. Rational is our fraction idea. Expression means there's no equal sign, and we can see there's no equal sign. And in this case, they're restricting the operation to just adding. So whenever you're adding fractions, you need the common denominator. You need a bottom number that's the same for both of these. It's called the least common multiple. So what's the least common multiple? What's a number that 6x and 3x both go into? Well, the 3 goes into 6, 6 goes into 6. So we attack it numbers first, and then we would look at the letters. X and X both go in each other. So it's just 6x. So we have a common denominator already in the second term. In the first term, how do we get a 6x? We would multiply top and bottom by 2. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply top and bottom by 2. That now gives us 16 over 6x, remember that's what we needed, plus 5 over the 6x. When you're adding fractions, you have the same bottom number, so the bottom number stays the same in the answer, so I know the answer has to have that same common denominator, and then we're combining the tops. In this case, it's a 16 plus a 5. 16 plus 5 is 21 over 6x. And then we just want to make sure things are simplified. So 3 goes into 21, 3 goes into 6. So I'm going to divide top and bottom by 3. And I get 7 over 2x. And that should be our final solution. 7 divided by 2x. Okay. And that's exactly what happened. Everything is exactly the same steps I had. Let's go ahead and see if the next problem is any different. Exactly the same kind of problem. The bottom denominator, common denominator, we would look at it, and if they don't have anything in common, so notice 5 and 3 don't have anything in common, so we would have a common denominator of 15. We'd multiply the right side by 5 over 5. We'd multiply the left side by 3 over 3. Exactly the same steps as before.